Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 184 of Surah Al-Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فإن كذبوك فقد كذب رسل من قبلك جاءوا بالبينات والزبر والكتاب المنير. This comes on فإن. Hamza is very sharp, and don't drop this sharpness until you create ikhfa here. And kaf is light, so ikhfa is light, so you're keeping tongue straight, but it should seem like you are saying ink. So this ikhfa is like ink. فَإِن كَذْ, and give rakhawa on dal. The sound should flow very nicely. كَذْ, and fatha is very short. The boo, circle your lips. For dhamma, make it 2 counts long. Boo, ka is short. Fa, hums. Qad, qaf is heavy. Dal will get qalqala. Faqad. Kuddi, kaf is light. For dhamma, circle your lips. As soon you will touch dal, your lips should be in a straight position and dal will get rakhawa. The sound should flow. Kud, and kasra is very short. The ba is short. Uru, ra is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Uru, su, circle your lips for scene 2. Lum, give dhamma on lam, circle your lips. And you are creating idgham, and this idgham is with gunna, and that is akmal gunna. So give a nice time here. Rusulum. Then this upcoming ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. So we will prepare our tongue to say this letter qaf. So min qab. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ba. Ba will get qalqala. Qabli, for kasra, give e sound. Ka is short and light. Ja, 4 counts long. Ja, u. U is 2 counts long. Ja, u, and circle your lips. Bil, for kasra, give e sound. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa tawassut. Bil, bay. E, for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ya. And here you will get nabar. Bil, bay. E, na is 2 counts long. T, for kasra, give e sound. Bil, bay. E, na, ti. Was. For wow, circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws. Attach with za. Za will get sifa of rakhawa. Was. Zu is for circle. For dhamma, circle your lips. Bu, for dhamma, circle your lips nicely. Wazuburi, for ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Whenever it is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. So light ra sounds like ri. Wazuburi. Your tongue should be in a straight position to say this ra, the light ra. Well, for wow, circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa tawassut. Well, ki, for kasra, give e sound. Ta is very sharp letter, and make it 2 counts long. Ta, bil, for kasra, give e sound, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa tawassut. Mu, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Mu, ni. You are giving a temporary sukoon or ra because of this waqf, and this temporary sukoon turned the 2 counts long in vowel into 4 counts, and this is called mad arid lis sukoon. فإن كذبوك فقد كذب رسل من قبلك جاءوا بالبينات والزبر والكتاب المنير. And Ra will get tawassut. Barakallahu feek. Kullu. For Dhamma, circle your lips attached with lam. Lam first, lam is with sukoon, so your lips should go on its normal position to say that lam with tawassut. Kul. And then there is Dhamma on other lam, the last lam. So circle your lips for that afterwards. Kullu naf. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Fa will get sifa of hams. Naf, sing. This is ikhfa. Sorry, this is hams. And this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. You keep this tongue straight to make this ikhfa. Naf, sing. The 2 counts long, 4 counts long. Because this is mad muttasil wajib. The qa is heavy for fatha, open your jaws. Tul for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Tul maut. This you are giving temporary sukoon on ta because of the waqf, and this temporary sukoon turns the harf leen into 4 counts long, and this is called madleen. This is not mad arid li sukoon, but this is madleen. This the other this has it's another name. Wa for wow, circle your lips, for fatha, open your jaws. In hamza is very sharp, attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and gunna is akmal, so give nice time here. Wa in, but fatha is short. Na, ma is 2 counts long. 2 for dhamma, circle your lips. Waf, wow is attached with fa. Fa will get hums, and waf, Fau will be 2 counts long because this is lean. Na, short. U for dhamma, circle your lips. For dhamma, circle your lips. Ju, it is 2 counts long, and make it 2 circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Ra for wow, for ra, make ra heavy because there is fatha on it. Whenever ra has fatha or dhamma, it is heavy, and it is short. The sound is short. Ra. Kum for the circle your lips, attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. Yaw, it is 2 counts long, and it is soft. Give a nice time on fatha and then attach with wow softly. That's why it is called lean, and lean means to make something soft. Yaw, mal. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Malqi. For kasra, give e sound. Ya, 2 counts long. Ya is very soft letter. Ma. Whenever you find this 2 dotted circled ta, you will change into ha. So simply we are giving sukoon, and then it will get rakhawa because it has turned into ha. Qiyamah. Fa for fa, give hams. Ma, ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa because za is among light letters, so your tongue should be in a straight position. Fama, zuh. For dhamma, circle your lips, attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Zuh, z. For kasra, give e sound. Ha, give a nice hum. This is this throat sound for ha, and for fatha, open your jaws. Zuh, ziha, a, ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Nin for kasra, give e sound, attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna, so give a nice time here. Nin, but na is 2 counts long. Na, ri for kasra, give e sound. Ra is light here. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ude for dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Ude, khi for kasra, give e sound. Kha is heavy. Lal for fatha, open your jaws. Attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Jan, make sure you open your jaws for every fatha. Ja, Jan, and there is akmal gunna on noon. Jan. For fatha, the sound is short. Na, ta, ta is short and sharp. F, give hams on fa. For fatha, open your jaws. Qad, qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with dal. Dal will get sifa qalqala. Faz. Fa will be, there is hams in fa, and then it is 4 counts long because we are giving temporary sukoon al za, and this temporary sukoon turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4, and this is called mad arid lis sukoon. And then you are giving rakhawa on za, very nice rakhawa. Faz. Where for wow circular lip for fatha open your jaws. Mal. This is not anymore long because it is being attached with the coming up letter, and this lam will get tawassut. Mal. Ha. For ha, give misty sound. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is, the fatha is very short. Ha. Yeah, 2 counts long. Tud. Therefore, Dhamma, circle your lips. As soon you will touch dal, your lips should be in a straight position first, and then you will circle your lips for Dhamma on the second dal, and then attach with noon, and this is Ibhar Mutlaq. So you are giving Ibhar here. To dunya, 4 counts long, yeah. Il, Hamza is very short, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut, and then lam is 2 counts long. Illa, ma, short. Ta, 2 counts long. Rul, for the circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Rul, ru, ghain is heavy for the circle your lips. The sound is very short. We are giving temporary sukoon on ra. This temporary sukoon turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts, and you are giving tawassut on ra too. And you are making ra heavy because you found dhamma before the ra with sukoon. La, short. Tube, for the circle your lips attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala, and your lips should be in a straight position. La tube, la short. One, for the circle your lips attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. One, na, for fatha open your jaws. Fi, 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, attached with mim. We will get sifa of tawassut. Wa, 2 counts long. Li, for kasra give e sound. Kum, for the circle your lips attached with me. We will get sifa of tawassut. Wa, for wow circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws. This is Hamza is very sharp. Don't drop the sharpness of Hamza, and then you create ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. Your tongue should be very straight to while creating this ikhfa. Fa, give hams for dhamma, circular lips. The sound is very short. Si, for kasra, give e sound. Kum, for dhamma, circular lips. Attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of tawassut. Kum, wa, for wow, circular lips. For fatha, open jaws. La, short. Tas, open your jaws for fatha of ta, and ta is very sharp, but seen will get rakhawa. Seen has safi. Seen is light. Tasma, ma is short. Run, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with noon. Noon will get gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Give nice time here. Run. Fatha is very short. Na. Mi, for kasra, give e sound. Nal. Open your jaws for fatha. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Nal. La. Fatha is very short. The, 2 counts long. Na, short. Oo, 2 counts long. Circle your lips nicely. Tool, this is not anymore long because this ta is attached with lam, and now we'll get sifa of the wasut. Tulki, for kasra, give e sound. Ta, 2 counts long. Ba, short. Ming, heavy ikhfa. So you're lifting your last part of your tongue very nicely. Ming, qab. Qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Qab. Li, for kasra, give e sound. Kum, for the circular lips, attach with mim. Mim will get sifa of tawassut. kum. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open jaws. Mi for kasra, give e sound. The sound is very short. Nal for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa off. Tawassut. Nal. La for fatha. Fatha is short. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha. Open your jaws. The sound is short. Ash. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa. Tafashi. Ash. Ra is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws because whenever ra is for fatha, it is heavy. But the sound is short. Ra, ku, 4 counts long. Circle your lips nicely. Hamza is very sharp. Then ikhfa, light ikhfa. Then ka is short. 2 counts long. Ra, 2 counts long. Mad iwab. You are exchanging the sound of tanween into 2 counts long vowel, so it is 2 counts long. Kathira. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For open your jaws. Ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa. You're keeping this your tongue straight. Wa tas. Ta is very sharp, but sad is heavy. It has rakhawa. It has safid. Tells B for kasra, give E sound. Oru, circle your lips for dhamma and make it 2 counts long. Wa tat. Ta is very sharp. Both tas are very sharp. Tat. Ta. Open your jaws very nicely. Ooh, for dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. F, give hams. In. Sorry. In. Hamza is very sharp. Attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. In. Fatha is short. Na. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give e sound. Kaf is light. Fatha is very short. Dhalika. Min for kasra, give e sound, and there is izhar, and if rule is izhar, but sifa tawassut. Min az, ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with za. Za will get sifa up. Rakhawa, az, and safir. Azmil for kasra, give e sound. Attach with ta. Lam will get sifa up. Tawassut. U for the circle your lips, and this create the sharpness of hamza. Mu ra, we will give a temporary sukoon on ra. This temporary sukoon turn this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts, and we are giving tawassut on ra, and ra will be heavy because we can find dhamma before it, because we are not considering this kasra anymore because we have given sukoon on top of ra. لتبلون في أموالكم وأنفسكم ولتسمعن من الذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبلكم ومن الذين أشركوا أذى كثيرا وإن تصبروا وتتقوا فإن ذلك من عزم الأمور. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.